How to add drop shadow in Photoshop. If you want to make your text or object stand out and look more professional, adding a drop shadow is one of the easiest effects you can use in Photoshop. It instantly gives your design depth and a clean, polished look. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new page. Now, select the layer, whether it's text, a shape, or any object. Where you want to apply the drop shadow, right-click on that layer and choose Blending Options. A new window will open. Scroll to the bottom and find Drop Shadow. Then tick the checkbox to turn it on. Once the drop shadow is active, you can customize everything. Choose the shadow color, adjust the opacity, control the distance, change the size, and modify the spread depending on the style you want for your design. Take your time to adjust these settings until the shadow looks perfect. When you're happy with the result, click OK, and the effect will be applied instantly. And that's it. Adding a drop shadow in Photoshop is quick, simple, and makes your design look much more professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop lessons. Thanks for watching.